Each arm follows the opening and the folding of the torso to form the parting move. Both hands follow the turning of the upper body as a unit during Jie de Ge at the loom. This is the section of the form, including parting the wild horse's mane and Jie de Ge at the loom. A typical example of how body and arm move as a unit in Tai Chi practice. It looks like hands moving a lot, but actually it is body is moving. Arms and hands are just following the body, just like this. You can clearly see that hands and arms are not moving. It is body which is moving. Only when the arms is moving with the body, then the internal power from the body can be transmitted through the arm to the hands.